Let's make some snow. All you need is some baking soda, some shaving cream, and glitter is optional. Now, if you don't have shaving cream, you could also use conditioner. So we are going to start by pouring some baking soda in our bowl, and to make it extra special, you could put your baking soda in the freezer for a few hours to make sure it's nice and cold, so it'll give you that snow feel. We'll start with about a cup of baking soda, and here's the fun part, some shaving cream. All right, now it's time to mix it in. Now I like to stir a little bit before getting my hands dirty. And now is a good time to add our glitter if you're using it. I like a lot of glitter. Oh, that's a lot. And this is really great also if you have white glitter because it makes it look just like sparkly snow, all the little ice crystals. Now, if you find that it's too dry, you could add more shaving cream, and if it's too wet, you could add more baking soda. You'll know the snow is the right consistency when you could squeeze it in your fist and it'll hold its shape. This is perfect for making snow people. Time to give our snowman a head. There you go. There you have it, the beginning of a great snowman. Now all you have to do is decorate it. So have fun with your fake snow, and best of all, it's easy to clean up. We hope you enjoy it.